Oh. What was that? What the heck? Did that thing come loose? Oh my gosh. ...2008 Ford Ranger. Customer complaint is his windshield wipers are working intermittently. So let's see if they're actually working now. And they're not doing anything. All right, the first thing we need to do is you have to have a wiring diagram, because how do you know what to test? So let's take a look at a wiring diagram, figure out exactly what this wiper motor needs to work, and see if it has it. Okay, here's a wiring diagram, and looks like it's got two fuses, a 29 and a number 5 fuse, and one is in the engine compartment, the fuse box, and one is at the kick panel. This is the washer motor, which looks like it houses the electronics, which is the brains. So we need to know first, does it have both powers? And then second, we need to know, is the inputs all there when you switch the speed on the stock? So let's just check for powers first and see if we got them. Okay, I found the first fuse. It's this one right here. And I got my test light hooked to ground to make sure I'm hooked up good. It's on. So when I touch power, this should light. Perfect. So we have power to the fuse. Let's check the next one. Here is the fuse going to the wiper motor module. It's this one right, you can't hardly see it, but it's good. I've already checked it, but I'll show you. There's that side of the fuse and that side. Okay, both fuses are good. Now let's start checking the inputs to the wiper module. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is check all the powers and grounds going to the wiper motor. So these are the powers on the end, and the two center ones are the ground. So I'm just going to use a 2.5 amp test light and check them. So maybe the key has to be on. Yep, that one's good and bright. Okay, I've checked all the powers and grounds. There is 4 of them in total, and they are good. So it looks like the next thing we need to do is find out why exactly this thing is not working. Okay, so I'm going through and checking off all the wires that are good going to the motor slash module. So right now I am checking this wire. It's the washer motor. I'm plugged in here. So whenever a ground is applied, it should make it all the way to here. So when I hit the button on the stock, see I have a ground hooked to the wire, and my light bulb is here. So I'll hit this button and that light should light. And it does. And that's how I'm checking all of these inputs. I want to go down the line and check every one of them and see what I find. All right, so the windshield wipers started working when I plugged it up. So everything was working. So finally, I let the windshield wipers run a while. And you can see they just all of a sudden stopped. So I was like, here's my chance to find out what's missing. So I went through all these wires again and made sure everything was there while it wasn't working, and everything is there. So there's nothing else. So I'm gonna make the call. We're gonna get a wiper motor, install it, and that'll be the fix. It's got all of its inputs. powers and grounds, it's got everything it needs, so that'll be it. I'll put it in and we'll retest and see what happens. All right, we got our new motor for the windshield wipers right there, and I'm going to install it, and I'm confident that this will be the fix. Okay, let's look at the directions on how to take this windshield wiper motor off. It says cycle the windshield wipers blades until they are at the upright position. It also says the internal magnets used in the wiper motor are made of glass. Basically it says don't hit them with a hammer. Okay. Disconnect wiper motor. Position the PCM connector harness aside. Loosen the bolt. Remove the nut stud. Disconnect the PCM connector. Remove the right hand access cover. Remove the screws. Remove the access cover. Reach through the right hand access cover opening and remove the wiper motor clip. Disconnect the right hand windshield wiper mount arm and pivot shaft from left hand. Pivot shaft from the left hand windshield wiper mounting arm. Alright, so basically we have to put the windshield wipers up, unplug it, disconnect the computer, go through the access hole, and undo the wipers. So this must be the access hole, right there. Okay. Let's see if we can get these window wipers to go straight up, if they'll even work. I gotta turn the key off. There, I did it. All right. All right, these bolts are 5.5 millimeter. Okay, so to get this clip off the back of this windshield wiper arm is a pain. It looks like this, and it sits on there like this. So your arms are pushed, one's here and then one's here, and then this clips over. So you got to reach back in there, pry this up, push this back. It took me a good 15 minutes to get it done. So you got to reach back in here and kind of slide these arms off. Well, I'm gonna have to move this arm over where the other one was, so I'm gonna have to plug it up and somehow try to stop it when it's over there. So that'll be a challenge, but I'll see if I can do it. pretty close. I think I'll go with it. I marked where the other one was, kind of match it up. I don't know if you can see my mark. There's a little mark right there. I better unplug it. Okay. Alright, you can't see it, but I'll pop the other arms back on it and put the clip in. Lord, putting that clip back on that washer motor is horrible. I mean, it just did not want to clip in. It kept pushing off. I finally got it clipped in. Let's get this thing plugged up. Let's run the windshield wipers for an extended period of time and make sure they don't quit again. All right, let's plug it up. Run it. I'm gonna put a battery charger on here so we don't run the battery dead. All right, battery charger on there. Run the windshield wipers. All right, gonna let them run for a while. Make sure they don't quit. Working good so far. Spray a little water on them, give them some help. Oh. What was that? What the heck? Did that thing come loose? Oh my gosh. Okay, update. So that arm fell off. And the problem was this piece of junk wasn't clipping on there right. The other one is made a little bit shorter up here, so the arm clipped on. So I had to take off the old one and put it on the new one, and now it clipped on. So aggravation. So much aggravation. Let's try it again. Okay, they're on. I'm gonna let them run a while. Make sure everything's good. Throw a little water on them. Oh, wrong bottle. All right, I'll let these sit here and run. Make sure they don't quit. All right, guys, that was a pain in the neck. So if you have to do one of these, hopefully the part you get will clip on good. I had to use the old arm to get it to work. So anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Catch you on the next one.